Welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a service project. So we are picking up garbage. So for those of you who don't know, we have a second channel where I kind of do my own thing and I do fun stuff. We are out here on the Target range right now and we're going to be picking up everyone's bullets because kind of a mess out here. People just come shooting and they leave all their garbage behind, and so I don't want that privilege of being able to come out here and shoot taken away. So we're going to clean stuff up so that everyone stays happy and that we can always come out here and shoot. But yeah, if you did not know, I have that second channel. Go ahead and check it out. So we are gonna just be picking up as much stuff as we can and throwing it in the back of the truck. We're not gonna be out here for too long because he's gonna be taking a nap soon, so
do as much as we can. I also feel bad because me and Eli aren't gonna be much help for Riley.
So I forgot a bucket. I meant to bring a bucket so that I didn't have to make as many trips back and forth. Luckily I had this milk jug and I'm gonna cut off and kind of make my own bucket so I can just put stuff in here, dump it in the truck. It'll be great.
He's also gonna grab the umbrella that's in the back of the truck so that me and Eli can relax in the shade while we watch Riley work. Just put your back into it. While Riley's been working his bum off, I've been making me and Eli this nice little tent here. I'm just gonna sit in the chair with Eli in my lap and we'll play with an ice water ball that I brought so that Eli doesn't get too hot. What do you think about that plan?
Love it.
Eli's favorite toy right now is a golf ball, and our floor, since it's all like hardwood, he can roll it around really easy, so it's really fun for him to like throw the golf ball and then he has to like go chase after it, and it's his favorite thing. He's going to town on this water bottle. Does that make you feel so much better? Another thing is in 3 months Eli will be 1 year old, which is totally insane. I'm so lonely out here. That's so yummy. Spilled all over us, ice water. How's it going?
Good. Found another milk jug, so I'll make another bucket.
You did it! I think we're about done here. Eli's had enough. Riley's had enough. I've had enough.
Oh.
Dang!
But there's like spray paint cans and ammo boxes everywhere. Like, it's just crazy that people would leave all this behind. And that's just a dent. Like, I only did this little strip all the way out there. There's just so much out there, it's crazy. So the moral behind this video is pick up your dang garbage. All that stuff is out there that would have just stayed out there forever. So if anyone from the city is watching this, please continue to let me shoot out here because it's fun. Hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out my channel. It is fun, quality entertainment. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll see ya.